Cut is a premier manufacturer of decorative and functional filter grills. Replace your unsightly metal filter grills with an easy-to-install, custom-built wood filter grill from Pattern Cut. Our detailed grills are available in 26 patterns, with oak, maple, or cherry face veneer. Start by removing your metal filter grill and carefully measure the wall opening. Let our team at Pattern Cut know the dimensions of your wall opening, and we will ship you a sanded wood filter grill that is ready to paint or stain. Paint or stain the new wood filter grill to best highlight your room, and then install your new filter frame and filter. Once these components are properly installed, just attach your beautiful grill cover from Pattern Cut, using the attractive brass thumb screws we provide. Say goodbye to metal filter grill eyesores. Call Pattern Cut today at 714-765-8138 to order your decorative custom-built wood filter grill.